Hey people, just a quick video on how to back up and restore your PS5 using a USB drive. Now this is a fairly simple process. You first want to plug in a USB into your PS5 or some sort of external hard drive. And then what you want to do once you've done that, you want to come up to the settings here at the top, then come down to System, System Software. Now you want Backup and Restore. Now with your USB drive plugged in, you want to select back up your PS5. This is just letting you know this profile needs to sync, so you can just click yes. Then you'll need to wait a few moments while all the data is gathered from your PS5. Once it's all loaded in, you'll be able to select what you want to back up. But as you can see, my USB drive isn't big enough, so you'd select everything that you want to back up, then you come down to the bottom and select next. And it will simply back up all the data on your PS5. So once you've backed everything up, if you wanted to restore your PS5 back to how you had it now, what you've backed up from, you'd come back to this window here and you'd come down to restore your PS5. And that's how to back up and restore your PS5 using a USB or an external hard drive. I hope that video was useful and you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.